Welcome to the Tower Bristol, where cutting-edge design meets unparalleled comfort in a location that's crafted for modern living. Step into your new home, where a range of stylish studios and contemporary en-suites await. Each space is a blend of elegance and functionality, perfect for unwinding or socializing with friends. But that's just the beginning. Dive into the vibrant energy of the club lounge and the residence bar, or catch the latest blockbusters in the on-site cinema. Keep active in the state-of-the-art gym or challenge your friends in the games room. Ideally located near BIMM Bristol and the University of Bristol, your academic life will be effortlessly smooth. Need a caffeine fix or a cozy dining spot? Nearby gems like Small Street Espresso and Taste of Napoli are perfect. For your grocery needs, pop into local favorites like Lidl and Tesco Express. With the Rupert Street bus stop just around the corner, exploring the city is a breeze. Elevate your living experience at the Tower Bristol. Visit amberstudent.com today and discover how luxury and community come together in perfect harmony.